local, variable referenced before assignment. I am receiving the following error. Unbound localError, local variable test1 referenced before assignment. Error says that test1 is local variable, but I thought that this variable is global. So is it global or local, and how to solve this error without passing global test1 as argument to test_func?
You have to specify that test1 is global.
In order for you to modify test1 while inside a function, you will need to define test1 as a global variable, for example. However, if you only need to read the global variable, you can print it without using the keyword global, like so. But whenever you need to modify a global variable, you must use the keyword global.
Best solution, don't use globals.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.